Hello, my name is Jason Perkins. I'm a Georgia workers' compensation attorney, and I'd like to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia workers' compensation video series. In this series of videos, I provide you with helpful information about the rules of Georgia workers' compensation law. Now, many people have questions about what workers' compensation settlements are, and today I want to discuss with you how insurance companies calculate settlement amounts. Many people have questions about that. They want to know, why does the insurance company determine that my case is worth a certain amount of money? And can I go to court to get a judge to award me a settlement? Under Georgia workers' compensation law, the answer to the second question is no. You can't go to court and force a judge to award you a certain settlement amount. So the only way to get a lump sum settlement in your case is to negotiate with the insurance company. Well, why is the insurance company willing to pay you a certain amount of money? Generally, the insurance company is making a business decision. They've got two options in your case. One of them is to settle your case, and the other one of them is to not settle your case. So they're going to look at, like most businesses would, what it's going to cost them if they don't settle your workers' compensation case with you. They're going to look at those weekly checks that they may be paying you and how much it cost them and how long they're going to have to pay them to you for. They're going to figure out how much they think your medical treatment is going to cost them in the future. They're going to look at what other benefits they may have to pay you, like permanent partial disability benefits. And they're also going to consider what it costs them just to keep your case open. If they're paying an insurance adjuster to work on your case, or a nurse case manager, or if they've hired an attorney to work on your case. They're going to figure out what your case is going to cost overall, and based on that, they're going to be willing to offer you a certain amount of money compared to what your case would cost if it just stayed open. So if they think that your case is going to cost them, a certain amount, let's say $10,000, then an insurance company would be willing to pay you maybe up to something around $10,000 to settle your case, but they wouldn't want to pay more than that because they always have the option of just keeping your case open and not settling. Because remember, again, there's no way to force the insurance company to settle your case. So it's going to have to be voluntary on their part. So what you generally would want to do is convince the insurance company that your case is going to cost them a lot of money. If they are convinced of that, then they may offer you more money to settle your case. Now, figuring out and convincing the insurance company that your case is going to cost a certain amount of money usually involves having a good understanding of Georgia workers' compensation law, because you're going to have to talk to them about what benefits that they might really have to pay in the future and what those benefits would cost them. I hope you found this information today helpful. If you have, please let me know by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you want to learn more about Georgia workers' compensation law or see other episodes in the Georgia workers' compensation video series, you can visit our Perkins Studdard workers' compensation YouTube channel. All the videos from our workers' compensation video series are available there. And you can also subscribe to be notified of future videos. If you do have particular questions about your workers' compensation case, I'd be happy to talk to you about those. We can set up a free consultation. There are two easy ways to do that. One is by visiting our website, www.perkinslawtalk.com, and completing and submitting the consultation request form there, and someone from our team will contact you and set up a consultation. Or the second is just by calling our office directly at the phone number on the bottom of the screen, and someone will be happy to set up a consultation with you as well. Thanks again for watching today, and I wish you the best as you recover from your injury.